What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber and
Nikki the Bombshell Biker.
Today's adventure, we're going to be celebrating Christmas. And what we were sitting here and thinking about how to really do this video, and honestly it's just been there's not enough time to go into how thankful we are for meeting all the people we've come in contact with through YouTube and through the motorcycle community. It's really something special to feel the joy and cheer from everybody around the world. It's really been something special, and we wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, be safe out there, and stay classy.
Stay sassy.
Cheers, you guys.
Merry Christmas.
What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber and
Nikki the Bombshell Biker.
And today's adventure, we are celebrating Christmas.
We're
gonna take two.
Sorry about it.
That was so good.
I know. I'm not as professional as you.
What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with that was just mine. Alright, that's my
You
fuck.
were so good.
That's my fuck up. Right. Shut your mouth. Are you done coughing?
I'm so sorry. I'm just dying over here. It's fine. It's chill.
Eggnog's getting warm.